This Suzuki APV is in way better shape than when it came in. One thing I always like to remind people of is regular servicing is way cheaper than major repairs. A simple oil change can help your engine last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Replacing your air filter helps your engine breathe properly, keeps performance where it should be, and flushing and replacing old coolant protects your engine from overheating, rust, and expensive damage. A lot of people wait until a warning light comes on or the vehicle starts making strange noises before they service it, but by then it might be too late. Preventative maintenance is always the smarter choice. So whether your vehicle is brand new or, like this APV, taking care of it regularly will improve reliability, safety, and resale value. Your car takes care of you every day, so make sure you take care of it too. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know what vehicle you'd like to see next.